the heck, Ports?
Lurking with the homie, he a menace. Late night, gotta handle business. Strapped up, no fucks given. Got the size, shit can get horrendous. Narco living, always been a menace. 6 feet, tryna be the realest. Dead man walking, who you killing? Toxic ass hoes, always sinning. Yeah, why this little Bobby off the Xannies? Out here sliding through Miami. Put that Glocky in her panties. Why you out here in these streets? If you really wanna leave, sounds out of my fucking lungs. That's the only thing I breathe. Never fear a fucking soul when everybody bleeds the same. I don't care if you got shooters, I don't care about what you claim. Break into your fucking house and take a picture while you sleep. Then we send it to your ass just to let you know we deep. It's 3:30 in the morning and we hella wide awake. Never sleep, I never woke up cause I got some moves to make. Heartbeat going fast as hell, now everything is más despacio. Te ahogases en el humo y quedaste balaseado. Blanco, blanco, yeah. Lurking with the homie, he a menace. Late night, gotta handle business. Strapped up, no fucks given. Got the size, shit can get horrendous. Narco living, always been a menace. 6 feet, tryna be the realest. Dead man walking, who you killing? Toxic ass hoes, always sinning.
No cap, this shit here, big facts, kicking in doors at the kickback, get back like run them pockets, let me get that. 30 shots, but 100 come with me. Wasn't proving no points, so we hit them with 60. Crib Street still screaming R.I.P. Nipsey. I come from the Grove, but the North niggas with me. 600, that shit kinda in me. I jumped off the porch to the block in the trench. I'm rocking designer, this Glock in my brick. It's the bitch from the back, me go buy some inches. 6 days and 6 nights, we was out on the mission. On the 7th, we seen them and caught them and flipped. Only right that we hit everybody that's with them. I've been causing hell ever since I was little. I can make a bitch shit like I'm Dr. Doolittle. Don't reach for this chain, turn your ass to a noodle. Yeah, I missed the trouble, I thought that you knew. Bitch.
I didn't make it true, playing by the rules. I come apart, but not cool. I didn't make it true, playing by the rules. I come apart, but not cool. I didn't make it true, playing by the rules. I come apart.
Shit, I been acting the angles, I been showing my ass. Nigga be now, my house been broken, they mad. All that shit give a fuck about the price tag. Put feet on it, then I went got in my bag. I ain't got it right now, nigga, so fuck what you had. First got me itching like I got a rash. Fucking with me and man, know I'm a crash. Quick a hot shit on the mic, I'm a spaz. Got heavy artillery coming like Baghdad. I been going crazy. Niggas ain't having shit cause they be lazy. Every good done like I'm born in the 8. Don't let me get hungry, girl, I'ma go take crazy. Crazy. I've been going crazy. Going too crazy, might need me a stranger. Still on probation, but keep me a period. Chopping shit up like I carry a hatchet. Never around business, all my niggas savage. See what you grab on the young nigga trend. Go for what nigga, that's just my opinion. I was out bad, but they didn't see my vision. Cut me some niggas, I'm perfect decisions. Never went to school, had fucked up a tank. Got me some rest and I booped up my English. Got this OG bitch on the big names. She figure nigga was started with peanuts. Think about ownership, might start a bill. Hey, man, nigga be all in my bill. My bitch stay low, so I bought her some bitches. Bought me a chopper for niggas with tension. Stuck in the booth and I got out the key. Got a sack in the hood, they like mooch and tricky. I was down broke, but I had to go fix. Don't fucking rap niggas, now I ain't got no kick. I been going crazy. Niggas ain't having shit cause they be lazy. Serving good feel like I'm born in the 8. Don't let me that have it, bro, I'ma go take crazy.
Evolved Motorsports. That goes to the Mark II TaserX 100 right here.